All right, here's another one of my favorites. Okay, this is kind of like the question where you had the circle inside of the square. What you're doing is you're cutting out again. The question that you have right here is you got a rectangular courtyard shown in the diagram. So the rectangular courtyard is the big rectangle that you have. Okay, and then what you have is the shaded region that's inside there is the grass around cement pads. Cement pads are the letters A and B, the rectangles that are inside the bigger rectangle. Okay, the area of pad A is twice the area of pad B. So area of A is bigger than the area of B, twice the size. The remaining area is grass. So all the black region around there is going to be the grass. And what happens is, which has an area of 510 square feet. So all the grass combined to make 510. So to do this question, the first thing that we need to do is we need to calculate the area of the entire picture. And that's going to be the 20 times the 30, which is going to give us 600 square feet of area to work with. Now, if 510 is nothing but grass, okay, then what that is that's all the area all around here minus the pads that you have in here, okay, the pads A and B. So then when I take that and subtract the 510, what I'm left with now is 90, okay? So 90 is the area combined, 90 feet squared to be exact, is the area combined of A and B, okay? So now I got to understand the proportion that's being described because it says A is twice the area of B. So what I'm going to do is, since area A has two pieces and area B only has one, because one is two times the other, I'm going to take my area and I'm going to divide it by 3. If I divide it by 3, then I have 3 equal pieces, 30, 30, and 30, that add up to be 90. A is double. A is 2 of the pieces, which would be 60 here, and B would be the 30 that's left over. And now this satisfies. A and B combined together is 90, and A is double B, which is 60 and 30. So this right here, this had a little bit of a twist at the end. It had me doing a little bit of a ratio here where we had to figure out exactly how much bigger pad A was than B when we were all said and done, because we knew when we subtracted those areas and you got 90 that was the combination of A and B. You just had to find the magic numbers for which A and B both work. So this was another one of those where you have an area within an area that you're cutting out. A very good type of a question that you see on a lot of standardized tests, like especially with the open-ended. So I hope you found this both helpful and informative.